Today, we'll explore the top 5 monitors for designers, analyzing their features, benefits, prices, and user reviews to help you make the best choice for your creative needs. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description of this video. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the Dell 27-inch 4K USB-C monitor, priced from $207. This monitor is designed to enhance any designer's workspace with its ultra high definition resolution, ensuring that every detail is sharp and clear. The screen is surrounded by a thin bezel, allowing for an uninterrupted view, perfect for multi-monitor setups. The built-in USB-C port is a game changer, offering a single cable solution for power, video, and data transmission, which reduces clutter and simplifies connectivity. With its adjustable stand, the monitor can be tilted, swiveled, and pivoted to find the perfect viewing angle, promoting better posture and comfort during long work sessions. Dual built-in speakers eliminate the need for external hardware, freeing up desk space. Some users have expressed that the monitor integrates seamlessly with existing setups and enhances productivity with its crisp image quality. However, a few Mac users have found limitations in using the monitor's full resolution capabilities, which might be a consideration for those in the Apple ecosystem. Overall, this Dell monitor is praised for its build quality and performance, making it a reliable choice for professionals and casual users alike. Second on the list is the Asus ProArt 27-inch display, priced at $276. This monitor is specifically tailored for professionals in the creative industry, offering a wide quad high-definition display that enhances visual clarity and detail, crucial for precision work in graphic design and photo editing. It achieves impeccable color accuracy with its 100% coverage of the sRGB and Rec 709 color spaces, calibrated right out of the box for immediate precision in color-critical tasks. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a frameless edge that maximizes workspace and minimizes visual disruptions, ideal for multi-monitor environments. The ergonomic stand allows for adjustments in height, tilt, pivot, and swivel, promoting a comfortable and healthy work posture. Connectivity is robust, including options for mini DisplayPort, HDMI, and multiple USB ports, allowing for a versatile setup with various devices. Customers appreciate this monitor for its exceptional color fidelity and ergonomic adjustments, noting it greatly enhances workflow efficiency. However, some users have encountered difficulties with warranty registration, a potential consideration for long-term investments. Overall, this Asus monitor is celebrated for its professional-grade features and reliability, making it a favorite among creative professionals. Third on the list is the LG 27-inch 4K ultrafine monitor, priced at $249. This monitor delivers 4 times the resolution of full high definition, making images and text incredibly sharp and easier on the eyes. It supports high dynamic range imaging, which brings out the depth and vibrancy of colors, vital for professional editing and design. The monitor is praised for its quick response times and broad viewing angles, thanks to the advanced screen technology it uses. It also has features specifically tailored for gamers like custom game modems and dynamic action sync, which may appeal to designers who also enjoy gaming. The on-screen control allows for easy adjustments to monitor settings through a few mouse clicks, a feature that simplifies the user experience. The general feedback from users highlights the monitor's stunning display and easy setup, although some have mentioned that the stand could be improved. This monitor strikes a balance between high-end display performance and affordability, making it a solid choice for both work and play. Fourth is the BenQ 27-inch QHD Mac-ready monitor, which comes at a price of $399. This monitor is designed with the needs of professional graphic designers in mind, offering a high-definition screen that delivers unparalleled color accuracy. It is factory calibrated, ensuring that the colors you see on the screen are precise and consistent, which is essential for tasks that require exact color matching, such as graphic design and photo editing. The monitor supports a comprehensive color palette and meets rigorous industry color standards, which is confirmed by its certification for excellent color fidelity. Its single cable USB-C connectivity not only simplifies the connection, but also supports charging and data transfer, making it an efficient hub for your devices. The daisy chain feature is particularly beneficial for professionals who use multiple screens, as it allows for a cleaner setup by reducing cable clutter. The ergonomic design is thoughtful, with options to tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust the height of the monitor, allowing each user to find their most comfortable viewing position. The built-in speakers provide a convenient audio solution without requiring external devices, although they are best suited for basic sound tasks. Despite its higher price point, users often find that its premium features and robust build are worth the investment for a professional setting. The monitor is highly recommended for those who require a dependable, high-performance tool for their creative workflows. Finally, the Skeptra 27-inch 4K IPS monitor with a starting price of $178. This monitor offers a superior 4000 resolution that provides incredibly sharp images, making it ideal for detailed design work. The in-plane switching plan ensures consistent and accurate colors from all viewing angles, critical for design accuracy. It refreshes images smoothly, which can be particularly beneficial in fast-paced videos or games. With a brightness level that stands out in its class, this monitor can display a range of vibrant colors and deeper blacks. It includes multiple ports for various connections, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices. Users have described this monitor as an excellent value for its price, offering high-end features that are often found in more expensive models. However, the built-in speakers are noted to be of lower quality, a minor drawback compared to the overall performance and price point. So, each of the monitors reviewed offers unique benefits suited to different types of designers and their specific needs. Whether you prioritize cutting-edge color accuracy, seamless connectivity, or budget-friendly options, there's a monitor out there that fits your professional setup perfectly. Don't forget, links to all the products mentioned in this video are going to be down in the description of this video. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.